Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this two-part series, we'll be discussing the 6 critical places of your vehicle where you should lubricate before winter arrives. Proper maintenance is essential to ensure your vehicle performs optimally during cold and harsh weather conditions. In Part 1, we'll cover the first 3 critical lubrication points to help you prepare your car for the winter season. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll delve into the remaining areas that require attention. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more valuable automotive content. 6 critical places to lubricate your car before winter. Winter is just around the corner, and it's crucial to ensure that your car is prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. One of the essential maintenance tasks you should prioritize is lubricating your vehicle. Proper lubrication helps protect vital components and ensures smooth operation, even in frigid temperatures. In this video, we will explore 6 critical places to lubricate your car before winter. By addressing these key areas, you can help maximize your car's performance and minimize the risk of breakdowns during the cold months. Let's dive in and discover the importance of lubrication for winter readiness. Why lubrication is important for your car before winter. As the winter season approaches, it becomes crucial to prepare your car for the cold weather ahead. One of the essential maintenance tasks you should prioritize is lubricating various parts of your vehicle. Proper lubrication plays a vital role in ensuring your car's optimal performance and longevity. In this segment, we will delve into the importance of lubrication before winter, including understanding the effects of cold weather on your car and the benefits of proper lubrication. Understanding the effects of cold weather on your car. Cold weather can have a significant impact on your car's mechanical components. The frigid temperatures can cause the lubricants within your vehicle to thicken, becoming less effective in reducing friction and providing adequate protection. This can lead to increased wear and tear on crucial parts, such as the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. Additionally, freezing temperatures can cause metal components to contract, leading to potential issues like stiff joints and decreased functionality. Benefits of proper lubrication before winter. Proper lubrication before winter brings forth a multitude of benefits, helping to safeguard your vehicle and keep it running smoothly throughout the colder months. Here are some key advantages of ensuring adequate lubrication. Reduced friction and wear. Lubrication forms a protective layer between moving parts, minimizing friction and wear. By lubricating components such as the engine, bearings, and suspension, you can reduce the risk of damage caused by excessive heat and friction, enhancing the longevity of these vital parts. Improved cold weather performance. Lubricants designed for winter conditions have specific properties that allow them to remain effective at low temperatures. These fluids maintain their viscosity, ensuring smooth operation even in freezing weather. Properly lubricating your car's engine and other critical components helps them function optimally, promoting better performance and reliability. Prevention of corrosion. Moisture can accumulate within your vehicle systems, particularly during the winter months. The presence of water and moisture can lead to rust and corrosion, compromising the integrity of various parts. By lubricating exposed metal surfaces, you create a protective barrier that prevents moisture from causing damage, extending the lifespan of these components. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Adequate lubrication reduces internal friction and drag, thereby improving fuel efficiency. With well-lubricated components, your engine runs more smoothly, requiring less energy to function. This efficiency translates into better gas mileage and cost savings at the pump. By understanding the effects of cold weather on your car and the benefits of proper lubrication, you can take proactive steps to maintain your vehicle's health and performance. Ensuring that all critical areas of your car receive the necessary lubrication before winter sets in will contribute to a smoother and more reliable driving experience throughout the season. 6 critical places to lubricate your car. Keeping your car properly lubricated is essential for its smooth functioning, especially before the winter season. In this section, we will discuss the 6 critical places that require lubrication to ensure optimal performance and prevent any potential issues. Proper lubrication will not only enhance your driving experience but also extend the lifespan of various components in your car. Engine components. The engine is the heart of your car, and ensuring its proper lubrication is crucial. Start by checking the engine oil level and condition. If necessary, change the oil and replace the oil filter as per your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, apply a thin layer of oil or spray a lubricant on the engine pulleys, belts, and hoses for smooth operation. Door locks and hinges. During winter, door locks and hinges can become stiff and difficult to open or close. Lubricating them will prevent freezing and ensure hassle-free access to your car. Use a silicone-based lubricant or graphite powder to lubricate the keyholes, door locks, and hinges. Apply a small amount of lubricant and work it in by opening and closing the doors several times. Window tracks and seals. To prevent windows from sticking or getting jammed, lubricate the window tracks and seals. Use a silicone-based spray or apply a thin layer of silicone-based lubricant along the window tracks and seals. This will help the windows move smoothly and create a tight seal to keep out moisture and cold air. Suspension and steering components. Maintaining proper lubrication in your car's suspension and steering components is essential for a comfortable and safe ride. Check the owner's manual for recommended lubricants and apply them to the various components such as ball joints, tie rod ends, and bushings. This will reduce friction, minimize wear and tear, and ensure responsive steering and a smooth ride. Brake calipers and pads. Good brake performance is crucial for your safety on the road. Before winter, lubricate the brake calipers and pads to prevent them from seizing or sticking. Use a high-temperature silicone grease or a specific brake lubricant recommended by the manufacturer. Apply a small amount to the contact points of the brake calipers and pads to ensure smooth and consistent braking. Battery terminals. Properly lubricating the battery terminals is often overlooked but plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy electrical system. Battery terminals can develop corrosion over time, which hampers the flow of electricity. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or a specialized battery terminal lubricant to the terminals to prevent corrosion and ensure a good electrical connection. By taking the time to lubricate these critical areas of your car, you can significantly improve its performance, minimize potential issues, and maximize its lifespan. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and use appropriate lubricants for each component. A well-lubricated car will not only provide a smoother driving experience but also save you from costly repairs in the long run. Recommended lubricants for winter. Lubricating your car before winter is crucial to ensure its optimal performance and prevent damage caused by freezing temperatures and harsh conditions. Proper lubrication helps reduce friction, protect against rust, and enhance the overall longevity of your vehicle. Let's discuss some of the recommended lubricants for winter and their specific applications. Engine oil. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine, and it plays a vital role in lubricating the moving parts, reducing friction, and cooling the engine. During the winter months, it's essential to use an oil viscosity recommended for colder temperatures. Thicker, high-viscosity oils are better suited for winter as they provide better lubrication and ensure smooth engine operation, even in freezing conditions. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a trusted mechanic to determine the appropriate engine oil viscosity for your car in winter. Silicone spray. Silicone spray is a versatile lubricant that can be used on various components of your car during the winter months. It helps keep rubber seals and gaskets supple, preventing them from drying out and cracking in the cold weather. Apply silicone spray to door and window seals, weather stripping, and other rubber parts to maintain their flexibility and protect against moisture and freezing temperatures. Additionally, silicone spray can also be used to lubricate hinges, locks, and other moving parts to prevent them from seizing up due to ice and frost. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our series on lubricating your car before winter. We've covered the first 3 critical areas that need attention to ensure your vehicle performs well in cold weather. Be sure to watch part 2, where we'll discuss the remaining vital lubrication points and provide additional tips for winterizing your car. If you found this video informative and are preparing your car for the upcoming season, please support our channel by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing this video with others, and subscribing for more valuable automotive content. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll continue to help you keep your car in top shape. Thank you for watching.